Were you planning on spending over $1,000 on your wedding dress? Watch this video first. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've seen any of my other wedding videos, you know that I'm really into affordable boho wedding dresses that you can get online. So today I'm going to be trying on a dress from Blushfashion, a wedding dress company that you can get super affordable dresses from, and they come in all different styles. Some of them have pockets, they're really lacy and pretty. That's what this is right here, so we're going to get to that in just a second. So friends, make sure and watch this video until the end, and then if you decide that Blushfashion is just not for you, don't worry. There are plenty of other affordable wedding dress options out there for under $300. I actually made another video about just this that compares Blushfashion with ASOS, LULUS, and a few other affordable wedding dress companies that have wedding dresses under $300, in some cases under $100, so I'll link that video down below. Watch this one first though. Blushfashion is awesome. My name is Brittany. I write for wayfaringweddings.com. I'm currently planning my own wedding and making videos about it. So if this is helpful for you, please give it a like down below and subscribe to my channel and watch more of my videos. Woohoo! Alright guys, so yep, it comes in a package like so, and it ships from Israel. The designer seems really cool. They make custom wedding dresses as well. So you can take a look at the website. There's all kinds of dresses. Like I said, they have a lot of like boho-y styles, like dresses with cool sleeves. Some of them have trains. This one has a train. And the price range seemed to be like between $100 and something to like $300–400, I think, if I'm not mistaken. We'll take a look at the website together and I'll double check that. So I got my dress in a size like small medium, and I think I'm like 140 pounds. I never weigh myself. I think I'm 140 pounds, and I'm 5'7". So that's the one that I got. I usually get a medium and everything. And so I already opened this up, so it's not really a surprise. I'm sorry. I was so surprised by the quality of this because I got it for $244. It's really heavy, so that's something that I just love about it. Like the quality seems really, really good. And then the detail of the lace is so pretty. Like, you see that? Just like gorgeous, gorgeous, and it's so soft. It's like buttery. This is the train. I wasn't gonna show this dress because this is my actual, what I decided to be my actual wedding dress. I was supposed to get married. Our wedding was supposed to be on June 20th this year, but because of the things going on right now, we had to postpone, but I just like couldn't wait to make this video, so people are gonna see this dress. Oh well. I'm not really a superstitious person anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. I love this neckline. It's sort of like, I don't know, I'm obsessed with wedding dress sleeves, if you can really see this. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it on. All right guys, so please excuse the weirdness of this angle. This is like the only place I have to shoot this right now in my apartment. So I'm gonna show you sort of the neckline here first. Also my floorboards creaking, excuse those. So you see it's kind of like, it reminds me of like a Renaissance sort of dress. I don't know, which is sort of my thing, I guess. I really like any kind of boho, vintage, historical looking gowns, I guess, and especially with lacy sleeves. So that's pretty cool. I really like that. And then the back is also like a square cutout here. And then the band here is just sort of a simple, I don't know, all of the dresses on Blushfashion, or most of them anyway, seem to have this kind of thing. And I believe they sell like belt accessories if you want to like pretty that up here. I haven't really decided what I want to do. So I'm just gonna back up for a sec so you can see the train, the skirt and the train. It is really heavy. It has kind of just like a heavy feel to it on the bottom. And there's also like, there's a pink slit skirt thing underneath built into it, which is really nice for any kind of like underwear line hiding things. Nothing's gonna show. It's one of the weirder things I've done in my bedroom. Here's the thing, is it seems to like fall off my shoulders a little bit, so I need to figure out that situation. Like, it seems okay, but I think if I move around too much, it kind of falls off. So I gotta figure that out. And this particular dress unfortunately doesn't have pockets, but a lot of dresses on Blushfashion do. I recommend maybe getting one with pockets. That'd be so cool. I just really liked this dress and it happened to not have pockets. Also, I wear a 36C and I'm not wearing a bra right now, so, and I feel pretty comfortable. I don't know. It's not gonna work for everybody, but if you have medium to smallish boobs, you should be okay with this. And also I think you would be okay wearing a bra. Like, there's this pink liner thing here that I think would cover up any bra straps. Yeah, you'd probably be okay. I just feel like this is a really cool option for people who don't want to go to wedding dress boutiques or just want an affordable wedding dress that's also quality. Now, I also want to talk about the delivery and the shipping, because I think this is so important. If you're going to be ordering your wedding dress from home, you need to be able to get your dress quickly, of course, and also to return it if it doesn't fit you. So making sure that the company you order from has a really good return policy and that they're able to ship their dresses relatively quickly is so important. So it says that it ships from Israel and it takes 7 to 18 business days for it to come in. I think that was about how long my dress took, maybe 2 or 3 weeks to come in to Canada. So if you're shipping to Europe, Canada, the US, I think it's like within 2 or 3 weeks for most of these dresses, in Australia. And Blushfashion also has plus sizes, flower girl dresses, bridesmaid dresses, accessories, shoes. You can get all kinds of stuff on Blushfashion. Oh, and my favorite thing about this dress is how comfy it is. It's so comfy. So you feel like you're wrapped up in blankets or like in your pajamas, which is exactly what I'm going for on my wedding day. I don't want to be wearing any kind of like itchy or uncomfortable fabric, and this is so comfy. It's awesome. If you like watching wedding dress try-ons, guys, of affordable wedding dresses that you can get online, I made a video where I compare affordable dresses from all different online dress companies, from LULUS, Nordstrom, ModCloth, ASOS, Amazon, 6 different dress companies, including Blushfashion, and I just like compare them all. So if you're interested, go ahead and watch that video next. Remember that you don't have to spend $1,000, $2,000 on your wedding dress. It's just not necessary. Don't believe anybody who tells you that you need to spend a lot of money on your wedding dresses. There are so many beautiful online options that are in many cases also eco-friendly and or ethically made. So just don't feel trapped like you have to choose a dress from one of these really expensive say yes to the dress type wedding boutiques. So that's it, guys. Good luck with your wedding dress shopping. Make sure and check out that other video and have a great day.